Ben. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine too. So, what do you usually do in your free time?
Good question. I usually play football. How about you?
Oh, nice. I like reading books, especially novels.
That's cool. What kind of novels do you read?
I usually read adventure and mystery stories. They're exciting.
Sounds interesting. Do you read every day?
Yes, almost every night before bed. What about football? Do you play every day?
Not every day, but I play with my friends every weekend.
Do you have any other hobbies besides football?
Yes, I also enjoy playing the guitar.
Wow, that's amazing. How long have you been playing?
For about 3 years. I'm not an expert, but I can play some songs.
That's really nice. Do you play for fun or in a band?
Just for fun, usually at home. How about you? Do you have another hobby?
Yes, I like cooking. I try new recipes when I have time.
Cooking. That's useful. Why do you enjoy it?
Because it makes me feel creative and I love eating delicious food.
Makes sense. For me, I love football because it's fun and I can spend time with my friends.
And reading helps me relax after a busy day.
True. Everyone needs hobbies to relax.
So next time, maybe you can play guitar for me.
Sure, but only if you cook something for me.
How about dinner? We can experience each other's hobbies.
Okay, see you later, Anna.
See you, Ben. Bye.